So simply Google how to make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and I'll walk you through the full process step by step on how to do it from anywhere in the globe. Let's get started with step 1, which is to go to Google. Obviously, because you'll be making money off of Google, you'll want to use google.com, the world's most popular search engine. The first step is to go to google.com and conduct a search for various businesses. That is step number 2. Those businesses can be any form of physical or digital businesses, service businesses, or any other type of business. It makes no difference. Let's say you want to go to a coffee shop, or a gym, or a barber shop, or a candy shop, or anything else. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to start with a coffee shop in Los Angeles, but you can go with any type of business you can think of, and then you want to go for a certain city for a specific location. And don't worry, you won't be required to sell anything to these companies. And I'm going to show you how you can basically copy and paste this affiliate marketing plan to generate money online and have it do all the work for you. And I'm going to give it to you for free so you can use the tools that were created specifically for you. So you can simply copy and paste that to make money online by searching at Google. Before we proceed, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. And, because this needs no effort on your part, it obviously does not necessitate any prior expertise or particular skills, as you may simply copy and paste. But you must stick with me until the end of the video and follow each and every step in order to understand exactly how to set this up correctly. So the second step is to look for those businesses and places, rather than focusing on these businesses right here, which is a huge error. So, instead of clicking on these businesses, you should scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Then you'll want to look on Google's second, third, fourth, or fifth pages. It doesn't really matter, but if you think about it, if you go to the second page of Google, you're probably going to a place where no one goes, like who goes to the second page of Google? So, for example, I'm going to open up this web page right now. This is a Los Angeles coffee shop. They are missing out on a lot of potential customers because it is on the second page of Google. Their competitors are outranking them since they are not on the top page of Google, and their competition includes everyone looking for a coffee shop in Los Angeles. Let's assume I'm in Los Angeles right now and have no idea which coffee shops are good. I'll go to Google and search for coffee shop in Los Angeles, and I'll see the ones on the first page, and I'll choose them because they're on the first page. I'm not even going to consider going to the second page and accessing this website directly. So these guys are undoubtedly pretty good, but they're missing out on a lot of potential, a lot of sales, and a lot of clients. So, you can find the contact section of a page here at the upper top, or you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom to try and find their contact information, which should be right here in most situations. So all you have to do is click on Contact Us to get their email address, so that you can help them and begin to earn money for them. So you may email them from here, and you can get their email address here. I can email this specific website in this specific business, and you can do the same for any other business, any other website, and any other location. It doesn't have to be in Los Angeles, and it also doesn't have to be in the United States. It doesn't really matter whether it's in Europe or Asia. You can try out various countries, continents, cities, and businesses. Because everyone who ranks on the second page of Google and has a business in a specific city can use the same method. Now that you've done that and found their email address, don't worry, you won't have to bother about composing emails or anything else since I've already done all the hard work for you, which I'll share with you in a moment. But before that, the next step that you will need to complete is to go over to KW Finder. This is already kwfinder.com. And this is a tool that helps business owners and website owners rank extremely high on Google, and improve their clicks, and improve their advertising. So as you can see in here, it says find long-tail keywords with low SEO difficulty. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which means they'll be optimizing their search engine, such as Google, so they can rank higher, get more clicks, get more traffic, and, of course, get a lot more customers and grow their business a lot faster, even if it's just one customer, by ranking on the first page of Google. It will pay off, but believe me when I say that if they rank on page 1 of Google for searches like coffee shop in Los Angeles, they will attract a lot more clients, make a lot more money, and develop their business much faster. As a result, business and website owners will find this tool highly useful. It will allow them to expand their company and business much more quickly. So, now that you know how KW Finder works and how it helps them rank higher on Google and gain more clients, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and join their affiliate program beneath the Mangles sections. It will say affiliate program right here, and clicking on it will take you to the KW Finder or Mangles affiliate program. So, click the affiliate program and you can see here that you will get 30% lifetime commission by promoting their SEO tools. If we scroll a little bit down here, you will see here that you can earn up to $613.02 per month. So this is definitely going to pay off, especially if you use the traffic source I'm about to reveal. All you have to do now is put in the effort and do all of the hard work. You must put in the effort. This will not happen overnight. You can't just copy and send one email and then sit around wondering why you aren't making any money. Well, because you have to put in the work, and you have to do it regularly until you start getting some solid results. But once you develop a workflow, this is going to be really straightforward, since once again it's all done for you. However, you must follow all of the steps and take action, else this will not work. It will not work if you simply watch this video without taking action. So you'll need to watch the full video and then go out and do all of the steps we discussed in this tutorial. So, right now I want you to join the affiliate program by clicking this Start Earning Now, and then we will be redirected to this page asking us to sign in, since we don't have an account yet, so we click this button Don't Have an Account. We will be redirected to Sign Up page wherein we will create an account. You just need to enter your email address here, your password, repeat your password, you can leave this blank, click I'm not a robot, and then click this green button to create your Mangles account. Good thing about this site, once you create your account you automatically get access to the affiliate section, there is no approval process. And this is available worldwide, so they are accepting people from all over the world. Once log in, this is how your account will look like. So, this is your dashboard, and right here you will see affiliate, so click this and you will be redirected to your affiliate statistics. To get your affiliate link, just scroll down and you will see here Get Promo Materials, so click this and you will be redirected to this page. So, these are your links, you can use any of this, so copy your link. Now, here's the email that I literally produced for you, so you can use it for free, copy it, paste it, do anything you want with it, edit it, and use it to make money online with this method. As a result, the subject line of our email will be It's free, this month, get more customers. And then you can say Dear Sir Madam, I'm writing to you because I work for one of the largest digital marketing agencies, and we help small businesses grow their revenue for free. I saw you had a coffee shop in Los Angeles, however your website is on Google's second page. Unfortunately, this means you're losing a lot of potential consumers looking for a coffee shop in Los Angeles, because they'd rather go with one of your competitors from page 1. We provide a free trial to business owners in order to help them boost their customer base by 100% completely free of charge. Needless to say, after just 1 week of working with us, one of our clients had a 110% boost in revenue. Mangles were the means through which we were able to accomplish this for them. You can click here to discover more about how Mangles can boost your revenue and help you rank higher on Google. Let me know if you have any questions. Sincerely, and then put your name. In a moment I'll show to you how you can insert your affiliate link in your email. Do this business, and they'll see that if they sign up through your affiliate link, they can gain more consumers for free this month. And they sign up for KW Finder or Mangles so that they can rank higher on Google, which will increase their customers, and by doing so, you're helping all those businesses all over the world to rank higher on Google, get more customers, make more money, and grow their business a lot faster, so it's a win-win situation for both of you. And, if you're asking, why aren't they already using these tools? It's because these guys are too busy with running their businesses and breaking them even more, and they probably have no idea how SEO works or what search engine optimization is. As a result, they'd like to improve their ranking and gain more customers. But because they're too busy operating a physical business, they have no idea how to accomplish this. And if you email them and explain how this tool might help them rank better and generate more money, they'll be much more likely to sign up, and they'll be grateful that you reached out to them. So, let me demonstrate how to include an affiliate link. First and foremost, I'm going to copy this email. I will open up my Gmail account, click Compose, and then return to the coffee shop website. I'm going to copy their email address, and I'll go back to my Gmail account. I'm going to paste the email address to this box. The subject line will be this one right over here, so I'll just copy the subject line, copy it and then go back to my Gmail, paste it in this box, and then copy and paste the rest of the email. This is the body of the email, so I'll scroll all the way down and copy it, go back to my Gmail, then paste that over here. And then after sincerely, put your name here. So, right over here we have Mangles, just highlight this, and then go back to Mangles, grab your affiliate link, get your link, copy it, then go back to your email, and at the bottom you will see a chain icon, so click this chain icon here, and insert the affiliate link in this box, just paste your link here, then click OK. You can repeat the same process, in here that says click here, so just highlight it and insert your affiliate link, so that people can notice this button and click on Mangles when they read this email. It brings them to the sales page, where you learn about Mangles, they sign up, and presto, you've made money off of that individual. After that, you can simply copy and paste this entire email into an email and send it to a large group of individuals. So you'll want to look for other locations where you can include it. Now that you've included your affiliate link many times in this email, you can send it out with a single click. I sincerely hope you found this video useful. If so, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you again soon.